Pass me at home. Give me at home.
What is here? Chapati?
So this one is the chapati, the Zambian way. I'm going to show you now. So he's getting a chapati like, but Zambian chapati. You see how he's going to make it. So
It will be chapati with egg.
Make it
And salad.
And what is there? It's already egg or spices? Egg with spices.
Egg, yes. Oh yeah, just some spice.
Little bit.
Pangur. A little bit. So
that doing this now.
makumbuka bwanyi
22.
Sorry?
22.
22, okay.
22 kwacha?
No.
Or 22 what?
No, 22, I'm asking the time they knock off.
22. But yesterday...
Yesterday it was maybe 21, or they had already closed.
Already closed. What is the name of it?
What?
The name?
Chapati.
They call it chapati.
Just chapati.
Yeah.
Chapati with egg. Okay, no special name.
Yeah,
No special name.
So in Zambia, this is what they call chapati. It must not be plain. You know, in East Africa, they make a bit
Plain chapati.
just plain chapati. Now in Zambia, Zambian chapati will come with egg.
Yeah. Eggs and salads, cabbage or mayonnaise.
Salad and cabbage. Okay.
And the mayonnaise.
And sauce.
Should be delicious.
Yeah.
Come on. So it is almost finishing. Look how he's finishing it.
Almost just 5 minutes. It's enough. The name is Innocent.
Oh, okay. Do you like to cook?
Yes, too much.
So much you like.
Yeah.
So you have your favorite job.
Yeah.
You enjoy.
Enjoy it, like safely.
So
And you have very nice necklace.
Thanks. Then after that,
so we need mukaichapu, you know.
put salads now.
You see what they are putting?
Cabbage.
Yes.
Cabbage with mayonnaise.
With some mayonnaise.
Good.
Ikawama pakuchoka huko tenda kumaramba. Tikachoka kumaramba market. Ngati waikonda futi tizabwera titie inango. Bazabwera watenge inango.
And the sauce.
Some sauce.
It's delicious.
So you see, look now. Look. Yeah?
Now it's done.
So that's the
Hooray!
Zambian. This is the Zambian chapati.
how much is it?
So this one is just 12 kwacha, only 12. So you see,
12 kwacha.
so you
Okay.
see 10 and 2 kwacha, just like this.
Okay. It's approximately how much? 50-60 rubles.
Yeah. So this is a simple,
Maybe even less.
yeah.
40.
So this is like almost
This
halfway
is
dollar.
money. So old but still money. You
Yes.
can change for food.
Okay, give it to him. To hold. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll come back. Come at pass. See the packaging.
We ordered just plain chapati for
Yeah.
Jan. He likes plain food,
Yeah, he likes simple food.
so it's special task.
Yeah, he likes simple.
And so you like
Even
simple.
when you go to eat in Shima,
You tried it.
chicken, beef, beans. Beans today, tomorrow beans. That's what he eats. Not chicken, beef, not so much. Beans. Yeah, just beans. Imagine, simple. You can't think that, okay, I'm pleasing, let me buy him chicken. He won't, he's not moved by chicken or beef. You think you just eat like this simple. When the others are eating chicken and beef, him will just go for beans. Eat beans. Yeah, just like that. Or vegetables. Yeah, yeah. That's how he is. Simple. He can eat meat, but a bit. Just a bit. But plain or vegetables like that.
Vegetables, not meal.
Hey, all of us. That's what we grew up. We said, no. There must be meat. Only wants vegetables.
Oh, it's a hero.
Yes. He's just got a lot of hair. You know, he's a mzungu. So
He wants
I
he wants
think
long
he wanted
hair.
to have hair like the mother.
Maybe like this.
Like your mom, though. Sorry, though.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
He get used to it.
Yes. Because
Food. Nice food. Healthy. Fine.
Chapati, Zambia. Zambian chapati.
Zambian chapati. From here,
What are you cooking here?
pork. This one is pork. Okay, so this one is pork. Would you want to taste a piece? Zingati? 2 kwacha.
2 kwacha per piece.
Yes, you don't want to taste?
Do you want to taste? Oh, okay. You want to taste?
No, me, remember, even when we went to museum, I don't like pork. Me and this beef.
So 2 kwacha per piece.
Yes.
Let's
you can taste?
taste
Uh-huh.
small one.
Yes, you can taste the monga ko so difuna bateste ko kamoja.
Ma? Just 2 kwacha per piece. So we will taste.
Yeah. Taste.
Small without fat, something dry.
Yes, ni katika ina nyama karibu maningi mafuta, karibu maningi fat. Monga ako so ni katika makeup yako. Nifuna teste ko mbere ko chan. Ine sinikudi yang kumba, but nifuna hivi ateste ko mulendo wangu.
Oh, this one. Good.
Yes. Okay, ba. Wapakile nikoni akakameni. Yes. Just show this one.
So 2 kwacha.
So 2 kwacha.
Usually very old 2 kwacha.
Yes, usually very, very old. But
The
it is
smaller
cheap.
money
But
is
I like
the older.
Yeah.
The older it
Oh,
looks
yeah.
like.
Because many people touch this money. The big money they look on you because few people who touch big
Yes.
money. Okay. So we taste some pork. So I want you
Pork
to taste.
time.
So we have tasted chapati. Now we are tasting.
Now tasting pork.
I wanted to say nyama choma. It's not nyama choma.
Nyama choma. No, not. Why not? Why not?
Okay, nyama choma is supposed to be beef or goat. Okay, I don't know. I've forgotten. Okay, pass it. Take a look. Look. Don't get any more salt.
What a nice package.
So look. Okay, with some salt. Okay. You can taste. Me, I don't like taste.
You don't like? Why?
No, I don't like. I don't like pork. I like beef. Even goat I was not eating, but now I can. Wow. Kuno chita na kwatichani kuno? Maramba.
It's soft.
Okay.
It's dry as I like.
Okay.
I mean, not very dry, but not a lot of fat.
Okay, yeah, with not a lot of fat. Yes. There are some people
And some spices.
like if you drink a lot of alcohol, like strong, you drink vodka. Most people, when they drink a lot of vodka, they want this. They want a pork with a lot of fat. So a lot of fat to do the
Reduce alcohol.
to reduce the alcohol.
And
Wow.
well done.
Okay. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Jan, do you want to taste?
Taste.
No?
Do you want to try?
From this side is better. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Okay, that's a barber shop.
Barber shop
Barb your hair.
with good music. Good music, nice vibe, atmosphere. Good
where
time
you
to
go.
change the style.
Okay. Let's move fast.
Ah, Jan is there.
Yes,
Okay,
Jan
Jan. Let's make a picture. So guys, we're just on the way to local restaurant, but I am already I am not hungry. I already eat that chapati
Wow.
with egg and salad and cabbage with mayonnaise, and I eat a piece of pork that was also delicious and very fresh cooked.